Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Suncorp application if it's not working properly on your device. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. If the Suncorp app on your device seems to close unexpectedly or doesn't open up at all, then there are a few things that you can try. First of all, go to your phone settings. From here, just navigate to the storage menu and then click on Apps. Now, once you are inside your app menu, you can simply look for the Suncorp app and tap on it. Now you can try clearing your data and clearing the cache. Just tap on Clear Data and press OK. This will also automatically clear your cache. So now you can go ahead and give it a try once again. If the application still doesn't run, then you can simply go to your App Store and try uninstalling the application once and then reinstalling once again. After that, just restart your phone and try opening up the application once again. And now, after these few steps, your application should be running just fine. In case the application still doesn't run, then you can try getting in contact with Suncorp by contacting them through email or phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the Suncorp application if it is not running properly on your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.